like it.
We didn't need him at the time. I think he's Canadian too, right? Like, Phantom, you're Canadian.
I moved to Canada like half a year ago, and I'm like legit Canadian.
So,
I'm Mexican. Just kidding.
Just quick pause. Sorry.
I'm like freaking like half French, half German. I don't even nothing now. Whoa,
And a
toxic.
Well, we're going dive though.
Yeah.
So first Genji, all that stuff.
All right. So what's the plan here? Let's try to fight in the courtyard, okay? Like,
Yeah.
whenever they're trying to go to point or something, we jump them. We have to attack them when they're transitioning.
Okay.
Speed us. You gotta amp it up.
sorry, my thing is going crazy.
All right. Insanity. Tracer on the right side. They have
Yeah, he's dead,
a Wheels then up top. Wheels then
Yo,
up.
take this
Stand up
engage,
top.
take this
Stand up top.
Diving top,
McCree.
diving top, diving top, going. On Cree. Reload. One going on. Zin.
Sends one, okay. Alright, just go point. No, nothing else.
If they engage, they lose. So
Yeah.
let's pick up the treasure.
Yeah.
I'm glad I warmed up my comms before I got on the hill.
Alright, just listen to Varesta.
Just hold middle of the hallway. Use this big thing as cover until we engage.
No. We should hold up here, actually. We should hold this high ground.
Yeah, you guys can. I just can't.
Okay, just wait for it. Okay, back up.
Back up.
I'm dropping.
Tracer no recall. Main. Alright, do you see that? Tracer left side. She's one.
Monkey, no jump. Oh, more point.
That's is low, damn it. And Zen is
More
low.
fade.
Monkey coming left side.
One left. Monkey, no jump. More
Alright,
monkey.
Tracer no recall.
Monkey one.
Monkey's low? That's no gone, yeah.
McCree in the pillar.
Okay, I'm doing McCree. I'm on McCree. I'm 70. I can't pressure him. Nice, thank you.
That's it, no, don't.
We should keep an eye out for trance. Their Zen's been doing a lot of poke damage from range.
I can post him to bait it out.
Alright, they're going.
Yeah, try and pulse him. Then we can blade.
Alright.
I think Trace was around.
Alright, burn monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah, for monkey. Monkey prime. Diva low mech.
Get back to point.
Trace on me earlier. Trace on me.
Tracer on me.
Back to point.
I need help. Point. Alright, we got him.
Tracer on point.
Tracer, no pulse, one.
Nice.
Monkey.
Monkey, no prime.
Monkey low.
Nice.
Get Zen,
Got
actually.
Zen rep. 3, 2, 1. Jumping in
He's
Zen.
one.
Got him. More
Alright,
Cree,
keep pushing.
One. Nice. Can we get that
No
Moira?
ults, no ults.
Moira doesn't have fade and she's one.
Don't overextend,
Search no recall.
Alright, back it up.
I'm just gonna stand point for now.
Yeah, I pushed off.
I'm gonna coalesce the push Zen aggressively. Push Zen aggressively
Zen's
with
not
my
gonna have
coalesce.
trans.
Oh, he's not.
He might.
Monkey no jump. Can we get him? Pressure him.
Yeah, get the monkey.
Zen coming in.
Nice, pressure monkey.
Monkey low.
Again,
Monkey one, monkey
No
one.
jump, no
Nice,
bubble.
nice. I'm gonna pressure this Zen, right?
Zen right side. Alright.
Zen no trans.
Main.
I couldn't get him. Oh, I put him into an S, get it!
I'm dead.
Zen behind point.
Watch behind. Yeah, Diva. And then get baby Diva. Nice. And then, yeah, we're good. We just won this.
Moira. Oh, nice you. Ogres.
Huge fucking bomb, my dude.
I don't know why.
I
made
grouped
it
the McCree into it.
I should have gone through the main exit to the back to chase Zen. Instead, I just walked slowly out the side so Diva could boot me. 'Cause I'm smart. Phantom go Widow.
Dude, I'm gonna get this basket. You ready for this?
Whoops.
Face jam this trash.
I'm also gonna do this. If you sit in that left spot, I'll have a perfect escape.
Alright. I like this.
again, just go right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, rest of us go right, Phantom go left, and you help us up that push.
Insanity is a good Widowmaker, so watch out.
Yeah, he's really good.
Yup. But that's not
This time I
insane.
won't
He's not
fail
even
you,
gonna
Rez.
Don't do it. Okay.
I'm not gonna do
Alright,
what I
wait,
did
wait.
last
Alright,
time.
I'm
alright.
hooked, I'm hooked. Ah, the right triple tank.
Alright, just back it up, back it up. Don't fight on the.
Back.
Another kid, and our Widow got picked again, so watch out. Play it slowly. Lucius low.
Oh, I thought we were backing up.
I'm not with you.
Oh, that was my bad. That was my bad.
I'm gonna try one more time. If it doesn't go, we can go
Don't-
to
don't-
20 side, so.
Don't contest the Widow. Just try to get the picks on the opposite people. Like, I bet you're like grappling
up.
hook, and that's how he's getting you.
I think you're gonna change. The only dodgeable target they have is Widow.
Ugly hook.
Let's try
I'm
one
just gonna
push.
touch point.
Pressuring the Ryan. Pressuring Ryan.
Get Ryan, get Ryan, get Ryan.
Ryan.
Ryan, full engage on Ryan. Ryan. He's bubbling. Get him.
They're all low. They're all low.
I'm on Ryan. Okay, Ryan's
With us one. Nice.
Ryan,
No one stalls, we're doing this. No one stalls.
Zarya right side.
Yep, Zarya. I'm on her. Zarya low.
She's gonna have
Zarya
grab.
low. Got her. Hog. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright.
They spawned or not.
Play safe.
I need some heal at the back.
Just like, if she's
I'll do
not
it.
you, the
I'm
1v1s.
playing right by the pillar.
So,
over here.
Ghana, I need
They don't
some
have builds yet? Yo, Thermite, if
She's gonna
you
have
get
Rabbit
beaten
Knox. She's gonna have
time,
Rabbit
don't
Knox.
use it. I'm gonna Valk first.
She's gonna have Rabbit.
Okay.
Yeah, she's gonna have grab. Play spread
Okay,
out.
if they grab, beat regardless.
I don't even know where she is. I'm switching.
I just got
She's
hooked.
top right.
She's
She's top
top
right.
right. Okay, I'm going on point. I'm on Lucio.
Watch out, Widow. She's
Down.
right.
Where are we diving?
So one Lucio,
dead,
one
she's
Lucio,
dead.
one. She's absolutely. I'm primal.
Sorry, I can't follow up. I'm dead.
We're nice.
Nice,
Dude.
nice.
Nice shot with them.
Dude!
Oh, space.
Hog,
I'm doing
one.
with it too. Let's get it. I pushed him down.
Oh my god.
Dude, Phantom, you're sick, bro.
Phantom, I booped him and you flicked him. That was nutty.
Alright, yo, Diva, once you play a little bit back, if they grab Thermite, I want you to beat, and then Diva, once they grab,
Play
throw
spread.
the bomb near the grab. So
They
if
have all 3 ults. They have all of the ults. They haven't used any.
Widow's top right.
Widow top right.
Middle top. There's a.
I need some healing at the back. I'm gonna die from body shot.
Ryan. Nice.
Anything?
More no fade. I'm not engaging him now. On hog.
They're all
Behind you.
pushing me.
More. I'm getting booped around. I can't. I'm on the Widow. Widow one. Widow out.
Widow's one on point. Widow's one on point.
Widow's 1.1. Widow's. Okay.
They just
Yeah. I can't really see right now. Someone call.
No, it's just stall.
Rotate.
Someone call him, Dad.
Alright, just stall to 99. Stall to 99. Did they use any ults? Just try to bait some ults from them.
I'm on Zarya. Wait, Ryan one.
Back up, everyone.
Legit though, I don't know how they're not countering us harder. Like, they're kinda good anti-dive.
Well, this map isn't good for triple tank, so.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing.
I'll tell you this. The Widow
They have
is not
sights.
standing on the high ground at the side where I'm usually standing. So she's on the ground. You can
Ready?
dodge her.
Let's go, let's wait
Uh,
out. We need to wait out sites anyways.
They knew exactly where I was.
It's okay. That's okay.
Sites as we come in, all over.
Widow's on outside over here on high ground.
Sick fucking hook, dude.
Pressuring me in my back,
I
Ryan.
have Shadow.
Alright,
I have Shadow.
I'm gonna try to post the Ryan.
Hook them.
Rise, post.
I'm on Ryan. I'm engaging him.
No, Nolts.
Watch out.
Nolts.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
That's good, that grab was well good.
I'm just gonna go
went
Reaper
down to
here,
Reaper.
dude.
Yeah, Reaper.
So should I go Tyson?
Sure. No, really. Maybe.
Actually, they're
Yeah,
triple
yeah,
tank. They're really tough. I should have made that call earlier to swap top with them. Okay, we're gonna have to get a point.
Yeah, we need to hurry up.
Yeah.
Wait, they might shatter us here. They might shatter us.
If he doesn't touch.
Push right.
Yeah, we need to push.
She's
Fast.
on outside over
Okay.
here.
Touch.
Hug right side.
Would it behind right side? Would it be
Yep,
right side?
Shadow.
Oh, right side in my bubble!
Hug low.
Right low.
Rain one.
Nice, it's Zarya.
Zarya point.
One on fade.
Nice, get more. Then get that Lucio.
Mario one behind.
Nice, get that
Lucio
Lucio.
top. Lucio
Heals on
coming
point soon. Heals on point soon.
Nice, you nice you.
Push him off. Push him off. Push him off.
Hey, don't call it
Good,
fancy.
lad.
Nice you.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I gotta pay more attention to comp.
Okay, Nitochi, at the end of the game,
Die, but I should
just see
realize
the play of the
Widow
game.
there.
If it's the Widow one. If it's not, you can leave, okay?
Um.
Fire Mercy.
Yeah.
Alright, so I still need to understand. If we get a pick, let's try to go through the left side of the shack. But be careful with the pulls, okay? If we get a pick, we try to push them.
Actually, you know what? This match, let's try and just go left side from the beginning. Just
Okay.
go into the mini health pack room and anchor that side.
Left side, okay.
Because we have
I'll
two
go
health
back.
packs right here.
Okay, we're going to hold our side as well.
Oh wait, never mind. Right side.
Alright.
Right,
If we didn't have a Pharah, then that's where we go, I think.
I'm just going the opposite side, so I'm going left.
They have a McCree again.
Yeah, that's as well.
Just breaking. Watch it.
No hook, no hook.
Just down. Shield break,
Ah,
shield break.
Trish
Shield
left
break,
side
shield
behind.
break.
Trish left side behind. Trish
Try
left
to
side
get the
behind.
McCree on the right side.
Yeah, if we can dive them a key, that'd be good for me.
Watch for the hook. Watch the hook.
They're coming right side. They're coming right
Behind us,
side.
Tracer, behind us.
Stay with me, Pen. Stay with me.
The kid's one, no flash.
Alright. Orisa low. McCree,
Tracer's on me.
stay with me. No.
Hey, you're 8 for halt. Oh, you got.
I know hook, no hook.
Yo, I almost had Barrage there. We could have won.
Back up.
It's okay, they just got the point, and now we have ults.
Yeah.
Top Gun. When I say stay with me, you need to stay with me. I
There's a
literally
vent,
was
there's a
building
vent.
Barrage.
Sorry.
Go in, don't wait.
Alright.
You're leaving me.
Alright, we're going. I'm gonna use Barrage aggressively.
You left me, Lucio.
Okay. I'll give me heals on you.
McCree one.
I got him.
Nice. Alright, fish. Watch.
Don't commit ults
on the
unless we get
side.
another pick. Don't commit ults unless we get another pick.
Lucio behind. Watch out. Lucio behind.
Lucio.
No, just back up. Run away.
I will not waste this opportunity.
Alright, Phantom, I want you to be on the back line. Oh, I got
Down
another.
McCree is just protecting the healers.
They're gonna be back, but
Well, no, kill the McCree. Like, bait the stun, and then I'll follow up. But I need you to
Okay.
follow up on my damage because they're actually getting low.
Yo,
Wait for
supercharger
a
from
good-
main.
a
Nitochi
good
go
rocket.
around right side after we supercharge and barrage. I'll support you.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Hey, bongo. Nice hook.
I don't know why. I'm
Oh,
terrible.
hard. Okay, so call I'm dead. Probably that.
No, we're all dead. We're all dead.
Let me get
Okay. Can we win this?
Oh, no, you said well that I jumped out.
I mean, I feel like we can still win it regardless.
Yep.
I'm gonna Valk aggressively next play.
Wait, I'm going for one, just wait 1 sec.
Oh, go!
McCree low. McCree's
That's
low.
such a big
Hug
pull.
again. Go on, go on.
Hog behind.
That's a no,
McCree's
it's
low.
no,
McCree's
it's no.
low.
Kill me. Hog behind.
Lucio point.
Get the Lucio. Lucio's in well. Thanks for the res.
Where is he?
Lucio's in well. I'm going pull.
Hold on,
Nice move. Okay, that's it.
Yo, Phantom. Really. Focus on trying to get the McCree when he's low. Like, look
Okay.
at the damage when it's coming in.
Okay.
Yo, they beat
I
supercharger
thought
behind
I
it.
pulled
Beat
her, but
supercharger behind it.
I was so happy. I'm happy.
Yo, we're gonna have to play cover. They're probably gonna supercharger
Be quiet
behind
for
it.
a sec, They're going high ground over here.
What's your left side?
Yeah, play cover. They're probably gonna hide in.
High noon, stop left.
Okay, watch it. Shield's breaking.
Just
McKay's low, McKay's low.
That's a nice hook. I pulled her hog in. You just stole my kill. Lucio
Break
behind.
shield, and then McCree's low.
Halting them, buff shield for damage.
I need healing gaze up. Thank you.
Where you were?
Risa.
Moira low, Moira one.
Chase him. Just Lucio.
Alright.
Never mind, never mind. Go ahead.
The Risa stood there
I
contemplating
missed like
suicide.
1 billion shots right now.
They still have supercharger in High Noon. And I think
Alright.
beat as well. I think it
Alright.
peak.
I have barrage. I'm gonna wait out the high noon unless we pick the McCree, okay?
Actually, sit around right side if they High Noon
Okay,
from
I'm
main.
halting. Oh, dang it, didn't pull him.
McCree top low, right. Right, he just used it.
Oh,
Frizz is
All
coming
the way
back.
over there.
Bongo's down as well. I'm pressuring. I got the Bongo.
Frizz is coming back.
Risa one.
Did he
I'm
still beat?
hooked,
They can
I'm
still beat?
Get McCree, get McCree. I need to. I can't fly away with.
We can't lose fight. We can't lose
Keep
fight.
fucking jump, Lucio.
I'm trying to come here, but he's always
I
getting
don't know why I
covered.
keep expecting McCree to High Noon from main. Like, I should have realized it was gonna be over there and not down on the main
feel
where
like-
we could get away from them.
I feel like we need to talk to Bullets at some point about this map because I feel like I don't know what to do partially.
Pulls.
Well, it's
I mean,
all.
those
besides
pulls
pulling
want
and
us-
shielding.
Yeah, those
Like,
pulls
yeah,
want us like every fight.
I mean, I feel like there was just so much time where we were just standing there. Neither team was doing anything besides just shooting.
Well, no, it's all about the fire damage and like like they have a McCree and what really needs to happen is